It's really good to be back. It's really good to just, even tonight, feel the energy in the room. We're going to show you lots of new product. We've got some fantastic industry speakers. We've got some really exciting innovations to share with you. But mostly it's about yourselves, the networking opportunity that the event presents, and the opportunity really to drive the roadmap of where the product goes next. So thank you very much.
This is my 4th Chevin conference, and I was excited to get back and in person and be able to network and meet new clients and existing clients.
I think if anyone wants to come, if anyone is thinking of coming to this event, they really should just embrace it. It's a fantastic networking opportunity. You get to meet fleet operators of all sorts, all types, operate in very similar systems, but in uniquely different ways. And really that coming together, that knowledge exchange is invaluable.
The breakout sessions were informative. It was great to see the engagement and the collaboration from all the clients, new and old. And the Genius Bar has been a big hit.
I really think the best part about this entire event has been the Genius Bar. That it was so wonderful to be able to, I have the short list of issues that I just have not had time to file support tickets for. 1, 2, 3, 4, we just got them busted out real quick. The Genius Bar was fantastic. It's a wonderful event. It doesn't take a lot of time out of your schedule. It's only a couple days, but the value added is just phenomenal. Absolutely, I'd highly recommend it.
Talking with other people, I see that my fleet is not the only one facing certain challenges. So it's good to know that we're not alone in this. And we've been able to kind of just talk through a few of the challenges and, give each other little tidbits of information on how we can possibly improve.
Coming to the event and getting to know further the Chevin people has been wonderful, as well as, learning from other fleets, the challenges they have, and, being able to work with Chevin to provide input to them and feedback on how the product can improve.
The people are just amazing. And the information that you learn from people that are like me, for the same purpose, you learn what if they're struggling with the same thing you are, or you've already struggled with that and you can help them with that and what you did, or they offer you help on what you're struggling with. So it's been very, very, very good, very educational.